Hello and welcome to this video on ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In this video, we'll be exploring what ChatGPT is, how it works, and what it can do. First, let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text inputs. It's based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which is an advanced version of the GPT, Generative Pretrained Transformer, model. Now, let's take a closer look at how ChatGPT works. The model is trained on a vast amount of text data, including books, articles, and online content. It uses this data to learn patterns and relationships between words, sentences, and even entire documents. When you input text into ChatGPT, it analyzes your input and generates a response based on what it's learned from the data it was trained on. The response is designed to be as human-like as possible, with proper grammar, syntax, and context. So, what can you use ChatGPT for?
Well, the possibilities are virtually endless.
Some of the most common use cases include chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to power chatbots, which can interact with customers in a natural and intuitive way. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, making it an ideal tool for businesses that operate in multiple countries. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate new content, such as articles or product descriptions, based on specific parameters or inputs. Customer service. ChatGPT can be used to provide customer support by answering common questions or resolving issues. Personal assistance. ChatGPT can be used to create virtual personal assistants that can perform tasks and answer questions on behalf of the user. Now, you might be wondering how accurate ChatGPT is. While it's not perfect, it's certainly come a long way in recent years. In fact, some studies have found that ChatGPT's responses are nearly indistinguishable from those of a human. However, there are still limitations to what ChatGPT can do. For example, it may struggle with complex tasks that require a deep understanding of context or background knowledge. It's also important to remember that ChatGPT is a machine and doesn't have the same level of empathy or intuition as a human. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can perform a wide range of tasks, including but not limited to 1. Answering general knowledge questions. 2. Providing recommendations for products, services, or activities. 3. Conducting basic research on a given topic. 4. Generating creative writing prompts or story ideas. 5. Proofreading and editing text for grammar and spelling errors. 6. Translating text between languages. 7. Providing customer support and answering frequently asked questions. 8. Generating chatbot scripts for businesses or individuals. 9. Conducting sentiment analysis on social media data. 10. Personalizing user experiences on websites or mobile apps. 11. Providing financial advice and investment recommendations. 12. Conducting data analysis and generating reports. 13. Creating natural language summaries of research papers or news articles. 14. Developing chat-based educational tools and resources. 15. Providing therapy and counseling services through text-based interfaces. 15. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. 15. Whether you're a business owner looking to improve customer engagement or an individual looking for a personal assistant, ChatGPT is worth exploring. So, there you have it, a brief overview of ChatGPT, what it is, how it works, and what it can do. We hope you found this video informative and please subscribe for more informative videos.